Today I'm taking a look at the DOVOH laser level receiver. So you got our instructions. Actually comes with a nice pouch. And there is the receiver. You got some grips on the side. Got what looks like magnets on the top. Oh wow, so that's actually able to stick on and hold itself parallel to the ground. We got what looks like a tether spot. We have a bubble level on the top. Got our display and our interface here on the bottom. Back, we've got our battery compartment, and it looks like that uses 2 AA batteries. And that actually comes with those batteries. Well, that's interesting. It actually has another display on the back. It's a neat idea, so that way if we can pick it up on the front, but we need to see it from the back, we'll be able to do that. Yeah, I guess it's the same information on both sides. And then last up, we have a clamp. So there's a clip right here, and that is going to allow us to clip onto the back. Got a release button right there, so that we can unclip it. And we got a large clamp on there, so if we just need to clamp that onto a board, something like that, so if we don't have anything magnetic, we'll still be able to use this. So this is designed to be used with their laser level, and we need to have pulse mode turned on. So right now you can see the laser line right there. If I pull it in, that is going to change the arrow. So this notch right here, when it goes over that line, then it's going to tell you where that is at. If I flip it around this way, not going to see anything because the sensors are this yellow bar right here. We can't see right now this line right here that is in course mode. If we want to change that, we hit this button right here, and that will be in fine mode. So we got fine, we got course. Now either way, it's pretty darn close to me, but if you want to be extra exact, you would use the fine mode. Yeah, I can't even really tell the difference. It is basically just right there. Now if we want to have an audio cue, we can use that. So this is telling us we are basically right on. Now personally, I think that beep is a little loud. You can actually make it even louder or just shut it off. That is probably how I'm going to run it, just because I don't want that loud beeping. But very cool that we can find that center. Now, right here, of course, you can just see the laser line. Now, what's cool about this is that it can sense that laser line where it is so far away that it becomes so dim that you cannot see it with your eyes. And that's especially good in very bright environments. So if you're like outside and the sun is out, you're trying to set a foundation or run a fence or something like that, you're going to be able to use this to see that laser even when it is bright outside. So right here, we can't see I got that laser level on. Where I got it shining right here, I cannot see it. But this guy can. So that makes this a pretty awesome tool if you're working during the daytime outside. So if you got a laser level and you want to step up your game, that is going to be an excellent tool.